We are dedicated professional oat millers. We source and mill British oats for the food industry. Our mill in Northamptonshire is purpose-built and is the largest oat mill in Europe. We bring the oat supply chain closer together to create new opportunities, both for the farmers growing oats and the food producers who use them as ingredients. All our oats are grown and processed to meet industry standards with full traceability and guaranteed provenance. We work closely with Frontier Agriculture, who support Navara oat farmers to grow ingredients that go beyond industry standards and meet premium specifications. Frontier provides growers with advice to select seed varieties and grow quality British oats. Frontier can work with farmers to provide advice on growing oats that can meet agreed food industry specifications in areas such as sustainability, agronomy, or environmental criteria. The majority of our oats are from a 75-mile radius. We're located alongside Camgrain's grain store near Kettering. That means we're close to oat growers and conveniently located for road and export access. British oats are delivered to our state-of-the-art mill, where they're processed to produce ingredients. Sustainability is at the heart of what we do. Nothing is wasted during our process. We clean the husks to remove all harvest debris. Oat groats are separated from husks, which are sent to use in bioenergy production. During kilning, steam penetrates the groats, stabilising them and protecting their quality and shelf life. Groats are colour sorted and graded to ensure optimum product quality. Flaking is the process of rolling the oats to create oat flakes. Flakes can be then cut to meet individual customer specification. We mill our flour to achieve the required grade. Finished products are bagged or packed in bulk for onward delivery to our customers. We minimise our own energy use and always choose green energy. Navara Oat Milling. British oats are our passion.